Hi everyone, welcome back to the Most Comfortable Youth channel. I am going to show you today how to achieve this look. I'm going to show you how I got the hair, how I did the makeup, what perfume I'm wearing, what outfit I'm wearing. It's gonna be a total get ready with me. Let's get started. When I do a smoky eye, I love to go all the way black. So that is what I'm going to show you how I do it. And it's very important that before you do a smoky eye that your base is so good, because it's such a simple look, but everything pretty much has to be perfect. So I'm going to show you guys how I do the look. So I'm starting off with the hydrating serum by Estee Lauder called the Advanced Night Repair. I'm going to use 5 drops. After applying the serum, I want to seal the moisture of the serum with a day cream. So what I'm going to use is the Estee Lauder Day Wear. This day cream keeps me moisturized during the day, and that's why I love this cream. Before I apply any makeup, I make sure that any dark spots on my face is covered. Instead of using a red tone color corrector, I use a red base foundation that is close to my hue as the color correction, and in this case I'm using the Black Up foundation HC15. It color corrects all the dark spots in my face. This is a very important step for me to create this very flawless look. From now on, I'm going to use the foundation of NARS. I'm just going to put 1 pump, and I'm going to use the same foundation brush. I feel like I've been living underneath a rock because I just found out about this NARS foundation, the longer foundation. I got the color Mali. I love it. Anyways, I'm going to put it on my face. I'm going to make sure that I look like a chocolate princess by the time I finish with this foundation. As you can see, I look like a chocolate princess. Right now I'm just gonna put on an elastic band on my edges. So now it's time to put on my highlight. I'm using this Too Faced concealer called the Spiced Rum. This is the first time using it, and I'm kind of a fan of it because the coverage is amazing. So I'm gonna apply this underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on my nose, on my chin, and I just want to make sure that these areas are very well highlighted. And now I'm gonna start blending with the same foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend out those harsh lines. Tap, tap, tap. In a tapping motion. We've blended all the lines, and now we're going to blend the inner work. I'm gonna blend it with a damp beauty blender, and just by tapping, tapping. So no swiping, just tapping. Just making sure I'm tapping. I don't want my makeup to move and melt during the day, so I have to put on a sheer powder to fixate my look. And babes, I really love this powder by MAC. It's my favorite. I got this one from the Hema, and I'm just gonna use a little bit. Don't use too much of this powder. I'm going to start doing the contour of my nose. I'm gonna use my concealer brush. So a little dot here, like this. Tap, tap. Now I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to use the Film Noir by MAC. And this is the best contour for my skin tone. It's like a warm contour. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier. This is called the Translucent Honey, and I'm going to apply this underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use just like so little powder because, as I said again, my skin is very dry, and whenever I use too much powder, my skin becomes like, you can see the dryness in my skin. So I use like a little bit of powder, and I'm gonna use my little dirty sponge I have here because whenever I use a new sponge, I feel like the sponge doesn't take up the powder really well. But I'm gonna use a little bit of powder, apply it underneath my eyes. And I'm going to apply the Laura Mercier powder on my nose. I'm gonna use the same contouring brush I've been using for my nose. And I'm just gonna put a tap here, like this, a little bit on my, wait, hold on. Instead of brushing away the powder, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender just to tap away the excess powder. I'm going to use the same L'Oreal shade powder, put it on my forehead and also on my brows, because my brows are the only place in my face that gets oily. Get back, wet, dewy sponge and just tap all the powder I've applied. And this works best if you don't use too much powder on your face. So now it's time to contour my cheekbones, and I'm going to use the Film Noir by MAC again. And I'm going to apply this underneath my cheekbones, on my forehead, with just a regular, this is a cheap brush I bought a long time ago at AliExpress, but it still works, so I still use it. And I bring it up a bit because I don't want to have a harsh line here. Can you see the contour already? Put it on my forehead as well. Ooh. I hope you can see the difference, because I can see the difference. Look at it. Can you see the depth? Can you see that? I'm going to blend out my nose a little bit with a brush. The same contour brush I use, I'm going to use it to apply my bronzer. Last week I went to Morphe and I bought a bunch of makeup. I've never worn Morphe makeup, NARS makeup. Like, this is the first time. I got this beautiful bronzer by Morphe and it's called the Supreme, and it brings like a lot of red to my skin. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on my forehead just to, it can bring back a little bit of warmth to my face. Let me get started with the eyebrows. I got the Morphe eyebrow micro pencil, and this is called the Chocolate Mousse. So I'm now going to define my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this old palette I have by Anastasia. I'm sorry that it looks so messed up, but I really use this. And this is the color that I'm using is the chocolate, and I'm also going to use the color cinnamon. So I'm going to start off with this color here. At the beginning and at my arch, I'm going to use a lighter color so it can give my eyebrows like more of a higher look. So now I'm going to connect my contour with my nose and just make sure that everything is aligned properly. I'm just going to follow my arch. With the same Film Noir contour, I'm also going to use that color in my arch to give my eyes a little bit more depth. Whenever I do my smoky eyes, I use only 3 colors. I use a color for in my crease, eyeshadow base, and it's like totally black, and it's from Shiseido. And this one is called the Shimmering Eye Color Cream by Shiseido, and the color is B912, and it's like a black cream. And I'm going to apply this on my eyelids. I'm going to blend it out and put some black eyeshadow on my eyes, and basically that is the look. And now I'm just going to blend everything very well out. I think I'm just going to use a regular blending brush I got at the Hema. I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to use the Carbon by MAC, and this is like the ultimate black eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the same simple blending brush I got from the Hema, and I'm going to blend everything out again. All the harsh lines, they have to go. I have this palette by Morphe. It's called the Bronze Metal, and I'm gonna use this color. This is the First Place. I think I'm gonna apply some of that underneath my brows. I'm going to pack on the same black color underneath my eyelids to complete this smoky eye look. With a black kohl pencil by Kiko, I'm just gonna fill in my waterline. A little black liner to give this look a little more definition. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Every brown skin girl needs to have an orange blush. Spray a little bit of a Studio Fix. This look is pretty bold, so I'm going to keep it very nice and subtle by using this very light highlighter by Black Up. Now it's time for the lips. Oh, I'm using the Morphe Trendsetter. I want to have a 3D effect on my lips, so I'm gonna use this beautiful lip liner, and then I'm gonna use the black kohl liner from Kiko, fill in my lips with this beautiful lipstick I got from NYX. And use this Morphe lip gloss. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna straighten my hair right now. I love this straightener. I've been using it for a while now. This is the dupes of the one from Philips, and it has like a little water tank that I can fill and it gets like really hot, and it's like it has titanium plates. It has a little comb in here, and it's a steam pod, and I really love this. I'm gonna turn it on. Make sure the steam pod is on, and I'm gonna work myself up. Do you hear that? Look, like, guys, look how straight it is. Like, look at this. Look how straight this has become. Just to make sure my hair stays flat, I'm gonna use this hot comb and just press everything down. This wax stick is everything. I cannot live without this wax stick, and I'm gonna use it on top of my head and just go over with the hot comb again, just to make sure everything gets flat again. Okay guys, so I just finished doing my hair. So the perfume I'm going to wear is this one. This is the Evening Rose by Erin, and this is like a very beautiful perfume. It's a very feminine, soft, but at the same time it has like a strong character kind of fragrance. It has a nice warm rosy perfume, and this is like one of my most favorite perfumes. Whenever I go out, I put this perfume on. I'm going to wear my dress. Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. This is the smoky eye with the sleek straight hair, and I got this little dress on from Mistress Rocks. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep it because like this part is a little bit too big, so I should have gotten an M. I don't even know why I bought an L. So girls, I got this outfit from Mistress Rocks. I was planning to wear this dress with these wide fit heels by ASOS named the Henleys. These heels got this cool rope design on top which gives them a quirky look. But I'm not gonna wear this outfit because it's too short. Like I have long legs, I have thick long legs, and I don't want my crotch to be showing or to feel very uncomfortable while wearing this dress. So I'm gonna swap to my next outfit. This is the outfit I'm wearing. I bought this jumpsuit from Mistress Rocks. I got it for 78 euros. And you know what? I like the idea of the jumpsuit, but I hate what material they use because look at this. Like, okay, you know, when you go out, like before you go out, you're gonna hold in your stomach and you're gonna be like all the way like, you're gonna hold in your stomach like this. And then eventually you eat some sushi and then you're it's gonna look like this. I don't really like this. It's not really flattering, but for now I'm just gonna hold it in my stomach so it's gonna look good for now. I'm just gonna act like it looks good, right? I'm gonna add on my little accessory I got for ooh! Oh my god, this is so cold. I wasn't expecting that. Oh Lord. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cold. Please, please. Ooh. It was so cold. Does it look good? Oh, you know what? I like it with this. I'm gonna add my little gold belt accessory, and I'm going to rock it. I'm going to rock my this little outfit with this beautiful bag, this chocolate brown bag I got here, and this chocolate brown bag I got it from a vintage store. And ooh, it looks good with my outfit. And I'm also gonna rock this outfit with my most comfortable heels I ever worn in my life. And that are these heels from Ally Shoes. Okay, these are chocolate brown, and I'm gonna wear it with this outfit. It's just too bad that the material of this jumpsuit is just horrible. Otherwise, this outfit would have been a 10. So, ooh, I forgot. See, look, I forgot to hold in my stomach. But anyways, let me know in the comment section what you think about this outfit. Let me know in the comment section. And who knows, maybe I'll film another get ready with me because it was very fun for me to do this. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'm going to see you guys the next time where I'm going to talk about how to find the most comfortable heels.